For every DIY enthusiast, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference, especially when you need portability without sacrificing functionality. In this video, we're diving into the top 7 best pocket-sized hand tools for 2025 that will elevate your DIY projects. These tools are compact, convenient, and designed to tackle various tasks when you're on the go. Let's take a closer look at each one to see how they can benefit your Number 1. W4W Multi-Tool. The W4W Multi-Tool is a versatile and compact solution for any DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable tool that fits in their pocket. Designed with a sleek, ergonomic frame, it packs an impressive range of features into a compact design. This multi-tool comes equipped with 9 different functions, including a knife blade, pliers, screwdrivers, bottle opener, file, and more. Its sturdy stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. One of the standout features of the W4W Multi-Tool is its intuitive design. Each tool component is easily accessible, with no need to struggle or fiddle around to find the right tool for the job. The pliers, for example, open smoothly and lock securely in place, providing you with a firm grip when working with various materials. This tool's quality construction guarantees that it will withstand regular use without showing signs of wear and tear. Its versatility is what truly sets it apart, as the W4W Multi-Tool can replace an entire toolbox, making it ideal for emergency repairs, everyday tasks, and outdoor activities. Whether you're at home, camping, or on the job, this multi-tool can handle a variety of tasks efficiently. The small size, combined with its diverse functionality, makes it a perfect addition to any DIY toolkit.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Snowflake 20-in-1 Tool. If you're looking for a compact, high-performance tool that can handle a wide array of tasks, the Snowflake 20-in-1 Tool is an excellent choice. Shaped like a snowflake, this unique tool is designed with portability and versatility in mind. With 20 different functions, including screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a wrench, a ruler, and even a mini knife, this tool is perfect for quick fixes and small DIY projects. The Snowflake tool is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring its durability and resistance to corrosion. Its lightweight and pocket-sized design make it incredibly easy to carry, whether it's attached to your keychain or tucked into your bag. The smooth edges of the tool ensure it won't damage your pockets or other items while on the go, making it both practical and user-friendly. What makes the Snowflake tool stand out is its ability to handle multiple tasks with ease. Whether you're tightening screws, opening bottles, or measuring objects, the Snowflake tool has got you covered. Its easy-to-use design and wide range of functions make it an indispensable tool for DIY enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who loves to be prepared for any situation. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with its utility and convenience. Number 3. Mutter 8-in-1 Pen Tool. The Mutter 8-in-1 Pen Tool is an innovative and sleek pocket-sized tool that combines functionality with convenience. Shaped like a pen, it includes 8 essential tools that are perfect for small repairs and DIY tasks. From screwdrivers and a bottle opener to a stylus and mini knife, this pen tool packs a lot of punch for its size. It's an ideal tool for those who need a compact solution without sacrificing versatility. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, the Mutter 8-in-1 Pen Tool is durable and resistant to wear. The design is lightweight and easy to carry, so you can keep it in your pocket, bag, or toolbox without adding bulk. Each of the 8 tools is cleverly integrated into the body of the pen, making it easy to switch between functions without fumbling around. The pen tool is extremely user-friendly, and the screwdrivers come in both flathead and Phillips varieties, making it versatile enough to tackle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're working on electronic devices, tightening screws, or simply opening a package, the Mutter 8-in-1 Pen Tool is designed to be handy, effective, and ready for action. Number 4. Mini 4PCS Keychain Screwdriver Set. The Mini 4PCS Keychain Screwdriver Set is an incredibly convenient solution for DIY enthusiasts who need reliable tools on the go. This compact set includes 4 essential screwdrivers, 2 flathead and 2 Phillips, and attaches securely to your keychain, ensuring that you're never without a screwdriver when you need one. The handles are made from durable plastic with a non-slip design, allowing for a comfortable and firm grip during use. Despite its small size, the Mini 4PCS Keychain screwdriver set provides excellent functionality. It's perfect for fixing small appliances, tightening screws in eyeglasses, or working on delicate electronics. The pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry around, and you can quickly access the right screwdriver for the job without needing to dig through a toolbox. The keychain feature of the set makes it extremely portable, so you can take it anywhere with you, ensuring you're always prepared for any task that comes your way. If you're looking for a minimal yet effective solution for everyday repairs, the Mini 4PCS Keychain Screwdriver Set of Performance. Number 5. Buspoll Ratcheting Stubby Screwdriver. The Buspoll Ratcheting Stubby Screwdriver is a compact, highly functional tool that is designed to fit into tight spaces where traditional screwdrivers can't reach. Its ratcheting mechanism allows for quick and easy screw driving with minimal effort, making it ideal for those tough, confined areas that demand precision. Made from high-quality steel, the Buspoll Ratcheting Stubby Screwdriver offers excellent durability and resistance to wear. The ratchet mechanism is smooth and easy to use, allowing you to tighten or loosen screws without having to reposition the tool constantly. The reversible switch allows for both clockwise and counterclockwise operation, adding to its versatility. The Buspoll Ratcheting Stubby Screwdriver is perfect for automotive repairs, assembling furniture, or tackling smaller DIY tasks. Its robust design and ease of use make it a reliable tool that you can take with you wherever you go. If you're working in cramped spaces or simply need a reliable, compact tool for everyone, make your life easier. Number 6. Southeast NT981 Survival Pocket Tool. The Southeast NT981 Survival Pocket Tool is an all-in-one tool that combines practicality with rugged durability. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and diners, this pocket-sized survival tool packs a lot of features into a compact design. Whether you're working on a project at home or venturing into the great outdoors, this tool is ready for any challenge. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the Southeast NT981 is built to withstand heavy-duty use. Its sturdy design ensures that it won't easily break or bend, even when subjected to pressure. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and ease of use, allowing you to maintain a secure grip while performing various tasks. Despite its size, it offers an impressive amount of utility and durability. Whether you need to saw through small branches, open bottles, or tighten screws, the Southeast NT981 Survival Pocket Tool delivers performance and reliability in a small backpack for when you need it most. Number 7. Mini Pocket Precision Screwdriver Set. The Mini Pocket Precision Screwdriver Set is a must-have for anyone who works on small, delicate projects like electronics, jewelry, or small appliances. This set comes with 6 precision screwdrivers, each designed to tackle tiny screws with ease. The screwdrivers have ergonomic handles that provide a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Their compact design makes them easy to store and transport, so you can keep them with you at all times. Made from high-quality steel, the Mini Pocket Precision Screwdriver Set is built to last. The tips are carefully crafted to fit screws of various sizes, allowing you to work with precision and accuracy. Whether you're fixing a smartphone, tightening screws on a watch, or assembling small appliances, these screwdrivers are perfect for the job. The high-quality construction and variety of screwdriver types make this set a reliable and versatile addition to your tool collection. If you're looking for a pocket-sized solution for detailed work, the Mini Pocket Precision Screwdriver Set offers both the precision and portability that you need. And that's a wrap on our list of the top 7 best pocket-sized hand tools for DIY enthusiasts in 2025. These tools combine portability with functionality, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks without carrying bulky equipment. Which of these tools will you be adding to your toolkit? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget